Let's find out about schools in Britain. This is my school, Riverside Primary School. I'm in Year 4. There are 30 pupils in my class. My school uniform is a red jumper and a grey skirt. For boys, it's grey trousers or shorts in summer. My classroom has got 5 tables. There's a whiteboard and a computer. There are lots of after-school clubs. Gymnastics and Spanish are on Tuesday. Choir and basketball are on Wednesday, and cooking is on Thursday. My favourite is Cooking Club. I love my school, but I don't like homework. I'm wearing my school uniform. I've got a different uniform for summer. This is my summer dress. Here's my teacher, Miss Wolf. She's nice. Look at my cakes from Cooking Club. Yummy!